In front of me is ZTE Blade A54, and today I would like to show you how you can apply Apple layout. Begin by launching Play Store and clicking on the search bar. Then type in iOS Launcher and get free app called Launcher iOS 18 from Launcher Studio Developer. When it's ready, open it. Then hit Get Started. Select I agree to terms and conditions and choose Continue twice. Following that, tap on while using the app and allow in all available pop-ups. And after adjusting all of those options however you want to, click Set as Default. Then click on iOS Launcher to apply it and wait. As you can see, after that my Apple layout was applied successfully on ZTE. If you want to switch between your layouts, you can always do that by accessing the same app. Clicking Set as Default at the top and choosing System Launcher. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!